Are you able to see the board?
Yes, sir. Able to see the board.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, mute your mic.
Sir, one file you shared in chat.
What?
Sir, one file you shared now, sir, in message. Sir, Jamboard, Google.
Ah, that I will share. In present already, and I'm presenting sharing on the screen actually.
Oh no,
Open.
no. Yes, sir. Yes, I saw that, sir. Sir, I'm talking about the one that you shared on the chat, sir.
Okay, no problem. Hello. Hello. Yes. Not required, madam. Next. Jacobians. Correct. Now, this how they will call means what? U and V are functions of xy. This is what u is the dependent, xy and are independent. Then Jacobian of u and v with respect to xy. How they will write means what? Dou of xy by dou of, sorry, not dou of xy, dou of uv with respect to xy, or they may write Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. So this notation, dou of uv with respect to xy means what? Jacobian of uv with, so u is function of xy, v also function of xy. Actually here dependent independent same, I should be u is function of xyz, v also function of xyz, means 2 means what? 2 dependent, 3 independent we cannot write. Similarly same event, because this is equal to, I can write determinant of dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. Jacobians means what? You will write determinant, you can write dou ux, uy, vx, vy. So u is function of xy, v is function of xy, means Jacobian of uv with respect is what? Determinant of dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. Copy down fast. Sir, copied.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Come on. V are functions of x and y, where u and v are what? Dependent, x and y are independent. Means what? Jacobian of uv with respect to xy is what? Dou of uv by dou of xy, or j of uv by j of xy. Dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by x, dou v by dou y. Shaktivel is there 159 last number 160. Shaktivel is there. Shaktivel
Yes, sir.
160. Have you got mail amma? Mail வந்துச்சு அப்ப உனக்கு
இல்ல சார்
mail.
இன்னும்
அது
மேம்
கேட்டுக்கோப்பா.
சொன்னாங்க.
அது அம்பிகா மேடம் கொஞ்சம் கேட்டுக்கோ, ஃபாலோ பண்ண சொல்லு, சரியா?
கேட்டேன் சார், இன்னைக்கு கேட்டேன். நீங்க இன்னும் 1 டேஸ்ல உனக்கு வந்திருப்பா, நான் கேட்டுட்டு உனக்கு அனுப்பிடுறேன்னு சொன்னாங்க.
சரி சார், அது வந்த அப்புறம் கூட எனக்கு சொல்லு கொஞ்சம், சரியா?
ஓகேங்க சார். எப்படி C1 டெஸ்ட் எப்படி சார்?
அது CT1 ஸ்பெஷல் பர்மிஷன் 29th முன்னாடி நீ எழுத முடியுமா? நாளைக்கு ஏதாவது எழுத முடியுமா உன்னால? அந்த வீடியோ டுடே என்ன டேட் இன்னைக்கு? 26th 28th எழுதுறியா இல்லனா? சரி, நீ அப்புறம் ஃபோன் பண்ணு, ஓகேயா?
Thank you சார்.
உனக்கு அந்த ஃபோன் நம்பர் அப்புறம் பண்ணு, சரியா?
சரிங்க சார்.
Suppose u is function of xyz, v is equal to function of xyz, w is equal to function of xyz, then Jacobian of u, v, w with respect to Jacobian of xyz. What you will get? Tell me, sir. Determinant of dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. Dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. Next, what you will get? Dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, dou v by dou z. Next, what you will get?
Dou z by
Dou w by dou x,
yes.
dou w by dou y, dou w by dou z. So from this, what you understanding? UE also 3 variables means what? 3 independent means what? 3 dependent only you can write, because square matrix you have to get. Determinant should be always from square matrix only you will get, so that you can understand. That's what I'm telling. So any problem up here clear?
Yes, clear, sir.
Okay, next. One problem we do slowly. X is equal to R sin theta, y is equal to x is equal to R cos theta, y is equal to R sin theta. Find Jacobian of xy with respect to R and theta. See, from this what you understand? X is function of R and theta, y also function of R and theta. So this formula, what you will get? Jacobian of xy by R and theta. How you will write? Tell me. Determinant of formula, tell me. What you will get? X with respect to R, x with respect to theta I can do. So
dou x by dou r, dou x by dou theta.
very good. Dou x by dou theta. Then down what you will get?
Dou y by dou r, dou y by dou theta.
Very good. Super. So that is equal to, find out what you will get. Dou x by dou r is what with respect to r. If you do x is equal to r theta, r cos theta. If you do means what you will get? R become 1, cos theta will come like this. Dou x by dou r is what? R become 1, then cos theta will be left. Correct or not? Cos theta. Then dou x by dou theta is equal to what? Cos theta differentiation minus sin theta. So what will get here? Minus r sin theta. Any doubt? Then dou y by dou r is what? Cos theta. Sorry, sin theta. This is what? R cos theta. If you do determinant, what you will get? Getting, sir? Any doubt? Are you able to hearing me or not? Hello?
Yes, sir. Here, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dou x by dou r is equal to r become 1, cos theta will come. Dou y by dou t is equal to what? Cos theta become minus sin theta minus r sin theta. Then dou y by dou r is equal to what? R become 1 sin theta. Then dou y by dou theta is equal to what? Sin theta become cos theta. Now determinant if you find means what? R cos square theta, AD minus BC. Already here one minus is there. So minus minus plus. So r cos square theta plus r sin square theta. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is equal to what? R cos square theta plus r sin square theta. That is equal to what? R into 1 is equal to r. So Jacobian of xy with respect to r and theta is equal to what? R. Any problem? Copy down. Pass. Take new problem. Y1 is equal to x2 x3 divided by x1. Y2 is equal to x1 x3 divided by x2, and y3 is equal to x1 x2 divided by x3. Find Jacobian of y1 y2 y3 with respect to x1 x2 x3. Or they may ask, sir, this is nothing but they may ask like this also. Don't confuse, notations are same. y3 divided by dou of x1 x2 x3. Correct? Both notations are same. Now from this what you understand? Now y is a function of x1 x2 x3, y2 also function of x1 x2 3, y3 also. Then Jacobian of y1 y2 y3 respect to x1 x2 x3. Now write the formula. Write the formula. How you will write? Tell me. That is equal to what? Determinant of. Tell me what you will get.
Dou y1 by dou h1,
Hmm.
dou y1 by dou h2, dou
Hmm.
y1 by dou h3. First row.
Very good. Right. Dou y1 by dou x1, dou y1 by dou x2, dou y1 by dou x3. Correct? Eh? Now next second row.
Dou y2.
Dou y2 by dou h1, dou y2 by
Wait,
dou
wait. Dou y2 by dou x1, dou y2 by dou x2, dou y2 by dou x3. Third, similarly,
dou y3 by dou h1, dou y3 by dou h2, dou
very
y3 by dou h3.
super. Thank you. This determinant you have to find out. Correct? Huh? Now y1 with respect to x1 means what? This denominator minus x2 x3 by x1 square. Y1 with respect to x2 means what? X3 by, see, y1 means what? X1 is denominator. Y2 means what? X2 is denominator. Y3 means what? X3 is denominator. Now can we do? Now tell me one by one differentiation. First is what? Dou y1 by dou x1. X1 is denominator. So what you will get? Minus x2
x2 x3
x3 by x1 square. Correct? Huh? Am I correct or not? Now dou y1 by dou x2 means what? This x2 become 1, then x3 by x1. Then dou y1 by dou x3 means what? x3 by x1. Agree? Sir, correct Alan? Correct Liya? Sir, are you there or not?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir. Correct.
Yes, sir.
y1
Correct.
sir,
Sir.
how is the square given
y1
there,
is equal
sir?
to x2 x3 by x1. Y dou y by dou means this is x1 square minus, then this x2 become 1, this x3 become 1. Similarly, dou y2 by dou x1 means what? In y2 x2 only denominator, remaining all are numerator. So what will get? Tell me. x3 by x2, can you do correct? Dou y2 by dou x1 is what? x3 by x2. Correct? Tell me. Then this is what? Minus x1 x3 by x2 square. Correct, sir? This is what? x1 by x2. Because y is what? x2 denominator. y3 is what? x3 denominator. So what you will get? x3, sorry, x3 no. x3's denominator means what? x2 by x3. Correct? This is what? x1 by x3. This is what? x1 x2 minus by x3 square. Check, sir, what I am doing, right or wrong? Minus here, minus. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what you will do? From row 1, you can take x1 square common outside. What you will get? x2, x3. This what you will get? x1, x3. This what you will get? x1, x2. Are you agree? From R2, you can take x2 square. From R3, you can take x3 square. Right. Taking out x1 square That is 1 by x1 square. 1 by x3 square from R1, R2 and R3 respectively. Correct, sir? Taking out 1 by x1 square, 1 by x2 square, 1 by x3 square from R1, R2, R3 respectively. If you take x1 square, this becomes what? Minus x2, x3. This is what? x1, x3. This is x2, x1. Clear? I am taking 1 by x1 square common. So x2, x3. This is what? x1 into x3, x1 into x2. This is x2 square. If you take common means what? x2, x3 minus x1, x3. Then x2, x1. Sir, are you agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Now first row you tell me. x1 square if I take means what? Minus x2, x3 minus x1, x3, x2, x1. Correct? Come on, tell me. But outside who will be there? Outside who is there? Minus x1 square, x2 square, x3 square. Then this is tell me minus x2, x3. This is what? Second row, x1, x3. Then third element is what? x2, x1. Correct? Then if you take x2 square means what? Same story you will get. Here also you will get x2, x3. Then minus you will get x1, x3. If you want, you can check x2, x1. Third also what you will get? Same story. x2, x3, x1, x3. Minus you will get in third place. Check whether I am telling right or wrong. Check yourself.
Yes, sir.
Same pattern you will get actually. That is the beauty of the problem. Now, from column C1, can I take x2, x3 outside? Already same problem you have done in plus 2 level determinants. Determinants, factors, put x1 is equal to x2 means x1 minus x2 is a factor. Lot of things you have done. Determinant 7 rules or 10 rules you will be studied. You remember or not, I don't know. Correct or not? Okay. Now, from this, can I take common from column 1 x2, x3? From column 2 x1, x3? This. So, if you take outside, what you will get? x2, x3 into x1, x3 into x2, x1. All are squares. So, it's become what? Now, we can write. Taking out x2, x3, x1, x3, x2, x1 from C1, C2 and C3 respectively. Okay, now this become what actually? Top also you will get x1 square, x2 square, x3 square. Then minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Are you agree?
Yes.
Clear? So outside who will come? Again, outside what I will get? x1 square, x2 square, x3 square. Denominator also same fellow. x1 square, x2 square, x3 square. Determinant of what I am getting? Minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. These all are will cancel or not? How nicely coming is see. Now, if you want, you can expand this. No, I don't want to do means what again, still you can do this problem. R1 gives R1 plus R2. In determinant, we can add any two rows or any columns. So what will get? 0, 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 1. R2 gives R2, R3 gives R3. R2 gives R2, R3 gives R3. Okay. Yes, tell me.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரோ 2 தானே சார் இருக்கணும் இந்த இதுல
Yes,
sir, R1 plus R2
002
002 sir.
Sorry, sir. Thank you.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
Thank
ரோ
you.
சார்
Okay, okay. Thank you,
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
sir.
ரோ தேர்ட் காலம்
Yes, yes. Thank you. Yes, correct. Thank you, sir. 002. Now expanding by first row means what you will get determined. By normal determinant. So
4 sir determine 4 answer
0 into anything is equal to waste, minus 0 into anything is equal to waste, plus 2 into 2 was sir. So the given problem is what? Jacobian of y1, y2, y3 by Jacobian of x1, x2, x3 is equal to what, sir? 4. Here not j required, I think so. Dodo only. 4. Clear? Okay, yeah. Can able to do. So in beauty is what? From here 1 by x1 square you can take 1 by x1 square, here 1 by x2 square, 1 by x3 square. Then you will get all terms are same. Then again from column 1 x2 x3, x1 x3, x2 x1. Then it's become 1 1. If you expand directly, you also will get 4. Always known to big number means this is the useful r1 plus r2. Always 1 1 means what you can able to do that also okay. Or you can expand to 0 and equal so plus 2. Any doubt? Sir, say yes or no, sir.
No sir.
Then now I will go for the properties. 3 properties are there, only 2 I will discuss now. See, u is function of xy, v is function of xy. So u is function of xy, v is function of xy means what? Jacobian of u. Jacobian of u comma v with respect to xy I can able to find out. Sometimes what they will do, no, xy with respect to uv they will call, that is called j dash. So j dash is what they may ask actually xy with respect to uv, but you don't get this actually. This is how they will write means what? Jacobian of uv by Jacobian of xy, property 1 actually. Jacobian of xy with respect to uv is equal to 1. So this is what u with respect to xy, v with respect to xy can cut. But this is what they will ask reversely. X is in terms of uv, y in terms of uv. This if you call j, this you can call jj dash is equal to 1. From this what you understand? J dash is equal to what? 1 by j. So j dash you are not able to find out. J you will get. Once if you get the j, make it reciprocal. Suppose j is equal to 2 means what? If they ask Jacobian of xy with respect to u means what you will do? 1 by 2 you can tell. J is equal to 10 means what? J dash what you will say? 1 by 10. Getting or not? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt? Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, but I can able to find u with respect to xy, v with respect to xy. What they will ask? Reversely, they will ask x with respect to uv, y with he can't do, but he can find j dash. Then 1 by j you can write. J you can find out. J dash means 1 by j. Make it reciprocal. This is one property. Second property is u is function of xy. V is function of xy, and x is equal to function of r and theta, y is function of r and theta. Then now you will write Jacobian of xy, sorry, Jacobian of uv with respect to xy I will get. Then Jacobian of xy with respect to r and theta I will get. So this is equal to what? This xy cancel means what? Jacobian of uv with respect to r and theta. This is second property, sir. Property 1 is what? Jj dash is equal to 1. Property 2 is what? U is with respect to xy, uv with respect to xy, xv is what? R and theta means what? Uv is equal to r and theta you will get. Note down. Third property is important. I will tell you later. It's very, very important compulsory question. I will stop here. After doing some problems, I will come to the third property. Means this second unit, third unit, this is second unit completed. Correct?
Sir, for CT2 we will have this unit, sir.
Yes, second and third both units. Third unit is Arul Prakasas are taking. Second unit I am completed.
Okay, sir. For sem 1, what will have, sir?
CT1 only, unit 1 only.
Sir, semester, sir. I must.
Semester full all. CT3 was the 4 and 5.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Semester you will maybe you come here. I think so. Still they don't know, but they will decide actually. Final authority that higher authority they will decide. Maybe online or offline we don't know. Up to that what they will tell we do. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Can I stop here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now come on, give me attendance. What is, when it's where it starts, sir?
128, sir.
28, sir.
28,
Present, sir.
29,
Present, sir.
30, 130, absent. 31,
Present, sir.
32,
Present, sir.
33, absent. 34, everyone is there. 34,
Present, sir.
35,
Present, sir.
33, present,
33 are
sir.
telling sir. 34, 35,
Present, sir.
full strength is there, not answering. 36,
Present, sir.
37,
Present, sir.
38,
Present, sir.
39,
Present, sir.
40,
Present, sir.
41,
Present,
40, present, okay. 42,
Present, sir.
43,
Present, sir.
44,
Present, sir.
45,
Present, sir.
46,
Present, sir.
47,
Present, sir.
48,
Present, sir.
49,
Present, sir.
50,
Present, sir.
51,
Present, sir.
52, 52, absent. 53,
Present, sir.
54, absent. 55,
Present, sir.
56,
Present, sir.
58,
Present, sir.
59,
Present, sir.
60,
Present, sir.
See, everyone is there, but hard. Full strength is there. These people not attending. What is the options? 133. 130 is every day is after attendance only. Will chat box
133 present, sir.
133. Yeah.
Present,
Okay.
sir.
152. 154. Then 152, 154 are absent. 130 every day they is giving chat box only. Why I don't know. Okay, sir. You can leave, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you.